Hi guys, welcome to eComposer tutorial series. In this video, you will quickly learn how to use Section Builder, a unique feature in eComposer. So first thing first, what is Section Builder? Simply, section is a part of your page contents, and with Section Builder, you can build a specific part of your page, such as a single product, your shipping policies, or a call to action block, anything you can think of. So you may wonder why you need Section Builder. First of all, it will help you create any content block that you want, regardless of what theme you're using. And after you build a section in eComposer, you can easily insert it to any position under themes. Now, let me show you how to build a section in eComposer. So from the eComposer dashboard, head over to Section Builder. Here you're going to create section. Alright, here comes the eComposer editor tool. Now you have two options. If you already have a section sample that you want to build like that, then just find all the elements in the left menu here and build it from scratch. Second option, you can refer our pre-made sections template here by clicking on Template Library and open the Section tab. Here you can find nearly 200 section templates that are ready to use. You can insert a section and it immediately shows on the editor tool. Click run it and then just customize your sections. After you're done, you can publish, enter a name for it. Then click Save and Publish. Now, the section is implemented to your theme codes. What you need to do is go to your Shopify admins, themes, and click Customize your themes. For example, here's the page that you want to add the section to. Find the Add Section button, and then search for eComposer sections that you have to save. Click to insert it. So here's the section that inserted to your page successfully, and you can change the position of it directly here. Alright, that's how you can build single sections inside eComposer and implement it to your themes directly. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with our support. See you next time.